Hello friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging rational equation problem. So let's get started by writing our denominator x plus 20 cannot be 0. So x cannot be equal to negative 20. Now we have two numbers here, 8 and 20. Let's find out average of both the numbers. So 8 plus 20 over 2 will be equal to 28 over 2. Value will be 14. Now I will use 14 in substitution. Let us say x plus 14. Suppose this is equal to u. So I can write x plus 8 would be equal to u minus 6 and x plus 20 would be equal to u plus 6. If x cannot be equal to minus 20, then we can write from here u cannot be equal to minus 6. Now we have to write our equation in variable u. So x plus 8 whole square, we will write u minus 6 whole square over x plus 20 whole cube, we will write u plus 6 whole cube plus 30 over u plus 6 whole square equal to 1. Now we are going to multiply u plus 6 in the denominator. So in the numerator, for the term 30 over u plus 6 whole square. Now we will write our equation with our common denominator u plus 6 whole cube. So I can write u plus 6 whole cube common denominator. In numerator we will write u minus 6 whole square plus 30 times u plus 6. RHS is 1. Now we have to apply a minus b whole square formula here. So I can write u square minus 12u plus 6 square, which is 36. Then we have 30 times u plus 6 will be equal to 30u plus 180. And in denominator we will write u plus 6 whole cube. RHS is 1. So 30 minus 12 we will get 18. 36 plus 180 we will get 216. So I will write u square plus 18u plus 216 over u plus 6 whole cube equal to 1. Now in denominator we have u plus 6 whole cube. My target is to achieve u plus 6 whole square in the numerator. So keeping this thing in mind, I will write or split 18u as 12u plus 6u. 12 plus 6 is 18. Now 216 we will split 36 plus 180 over u plus 6 whole cube equal to 1. Now I will pick u square, 12u and 36. These three terms in one bracket. Let me write u square plus 12u plus 36, which is u plus 6 whole square. Then remaining two terms 6u plus 180. Denominator is u plus 6 whole cube. RHS is 1. Now this numerator bracket is u plus 6 whole square. And then we will take 6 common. So in bracket we will be getting u plus 30. But that is not enough. Let me write here. We will write u plus 6 whole square. Then we have 6u plus 180. And in denominator we will write u plus 6 whole cube. RHS is 1. Now we will write u plus 6 whole square plus, we will write 6u as it is. Then 180 can be written as 36 plus 144. This is 180. And denominator is u plus 6 whole cube. RHS is 1. Now from these two terms, we are going to take 6 common out. So I will write u plus 6 whole square. 6 is common. In bracket, we will write u plus 6. Then we will write 144 over u plus 6 whole cube equal to 1. Now our substitution is clear. Let's say u plus 6 equal to m. U cannot be minus 6, so m cannot be 0. So I will write our equation in variable m square plus 6m plus 144 over m cube equal to 1. Now m cannot be 0. I can multiply both sides by m cube. So I will write here m cube. So in the RHS, we will multiply with m cube. Now from LHS, we will cancel m cube and m cube. So we will write our equation m square plus 6m plus 144 equal to m cube. Let me write m square plus 6m plus 144 equal to m cube. Take all the terms to one side. We will get m cube minus m square minus 6m minus 144 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation and I will solve using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I need to know the eligible factors of constant 144. So I will write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, plus minus 9 and so on. Now leading coefficient is 1. So eligible factors will be plus minus 1 only. Now we will consider the ratio of constant to leading coefficient factors. So if I will plug in m equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 minus 1 minus 6 minus 144. It won't. So if I will plug m equal to 2, will it satisfy? 8 minus 4 minus 12 minus 144. Again it won't, because minus 144 is very big number. So we have to put the values of m 1, 2, 3, 4. It won't satisfy. Let me plug in m equal to 6. So 6 cube is 216. 6 square is 36. 6 times 6 is 36 minus 144. So 216, 36, 36, 144. This will add up 216. So yes, this time it is satisfying our equation. So we will write m equal to 6. Now we can use synthetic division method. So we need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So let me write here. Base solution is m equal to 6. We will use synthetic division method. So coefficients of cubic equation 1, minus 1, minus 6, minus 144. We'll consider leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution 6 with leading coefficient 1. And we will write this product here. 6 times 1 is 6. Addition of these two will give us 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Addition of these two will give us 24. 6 times 24 is 144. If we will add these two, we will get 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So I will write equation m square plus 5m plus 24 equal to 0. So we have one real solution, which is our base solution, m equal to 6, and we have one quadratic equation from where we will get two m values. Let us find out. So I will use quadratic formula. As per formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. Now here a is 1, coefficient of m square, b is 5, coefficient of m, c is constant 24. I will get m equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of b square 5 square 25 minus 4 times 1 times 24. I will get 96 over 2 times 1, so 2, which will be equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 71 over 2. We can write m equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 1 times square root of 71 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So this will be equal to minus 5 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Now I will write all the three values of m. Two complex solutions or values of m and one is real. So real value is 6. Then we will write minus 5 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Now m was our substitution, u plus 6. I will write here u plus 6 equal to 6 and minus 5 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Now to find the value of u, we need to subtract 6 from both the sides. So minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Now from LHS we will cancel plus and minus 6. It will be left with u only. So u will be equal to 6 minus 6 is 0. Minus 5 plus minus I root 71 over 2 minus 6. So minus 5 minus 12 minus 17 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Let me write u equal to 0 minus 17 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Now u was our substitution x plus 14. So I need to write here x plus 14. So we'll write x plus 14 equal to 0 minus 17 plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. Now we are going to subtract 14 from both the sides to get our final answers. So we'll write here minus 14, minus 14, minus 14. So plus and minus 14 from LHS, we will cancel. We will get our final answers x equal to negative 14. 0 minus 14 is minus 14. And minus 17 plus minus I root 71 over 2 minus 14. Minus 17 minus 28 minus 45. Plus minus I times square root 71 over 2. So we have one real solution, minus 14, and two complex solutions, minus 45 plus minus I root 71 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.